Hey peeps, what's up?
Vloggy, Vlogmas.
Alright y'all, so I uploaded this video already, but with no sound. How dare I know, but let's get right into it though. So first you're gonna need some water, and then we're gonna need some conditioner. I like to use the Aussie 7-in-1 Total Miracle. It really leaves your hair moisturized, conditioned. It leaves me feeling good. Oh, and then I mentioned we're combing out some locks today. Now let's go ahead and grab some. Oh yeah, what's that stuff? We're gonna need some of that comb so that we can comb out them locks, the end, you know, to detangle and comb them out and get them out the way. But yeah, but here's my hair. We want to give one final look before we actually go ahead and comb these out. Let me give y'all 360 though. Let me give y'all 360. I'm missing them already, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm missing them already. Comment down below if you combed out some locks yet and how long it took you to miss them. Alright y'all, so one more thing that I forgot to tell you guys. We're gonna need a plastic bag and a bonnet because we're gonna let this conditioner sit overnight. So you're gonna need that for your hair. Don't mind the sexy chocolate in the background. But you see here, I'm getting my hair as wet as possible. Some of my locks are already split. They have like two-headed dragons. I unbraided some already. So I thought, like, you know, this is gonna be a pretty easy process since, you know, some of my locks, they're not completely locked. But I was wrong. So I'm just trying to get that water in there to make it as wet as possible. Wet. But back to the thing, wet as possible, so that we can get this conditioner soaked up in there so we can comb out these locks. You'll know that it's wet enough when you can see the glistening. You see how my locks are glistening? That means it's wet. It's wet. But now let me grab my conditioner. I'm gonna show you guys how much I typically use. I got the apricot with the Australian jojoba oil and vitamin E. So let's squirt some of that out. Squirt. Ooh, white stuff. Oh, you're gonna need some rubber bands too to separate your locks if they're short. My locks are pretty short, so I needed rubber bands to separate them. But if they're not short, you might be able to like just braid or twist yours up and get them out the way. So you wanna saturate your hair as much as possible. As y'all can see, this is not enough conditioner. I think y'all can tell. But I'm gonna start separating my locks so that I can section each part off and get the right amount of conditioner in each section. That way no section is lacking. That way no section is out of repertoire. I don't even think that makes sense what I just said. I just be talking too much smack. I don't be saying nothing for real. Alright, so it's the last section. Now let's get to that conditioning. Oh my god, who disrespectful like that? Somebody disrespectful, y'all. Hold on. I'm back. So here's how much conditioner I used to saturate my hair. Y'all see that? Okay, I just be extra, y'all. But as y'all can see, I'm saturating my hair, putting as much conditioner as I can so that it can penetrate into the lock and make it easier to comb out that lock. Alright, we need some more conditioner because the last amount that I used was not enough. You want it to really be saturated, y'all. You want to really penetrate that conditioner into those locks so that they can come out really soft. Yo, girl looks good. Won't she back that ass up? Looking so good. Won't you back that ass up? Girl, you look good. Won't you back it? Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm done saturating the locks. And here we go for a U-turn. Oh my god, y'all, I didn't realize how long my locks really were. I kind of miss them, but it's okay, we're gonna get them back. Like little U-turn. Alright, got my bag on my head so that it can penetrate even deeper into the locks. Penetrate. Put on the satin cap. Woo! Put that thing on. The inside of my satin cap is silk. That's one good thing because I can wear it on my head when I'm wearing protective styles as well to prevent any breakage. But I don't know why I just told y'all that, but we just need this to penetrate the conditioner into the hair. Puts that extra heat up in there. Some heat. Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video. For at least for tonight. I'm going to bed and we're going to start the combing out session tomorrow. Alright guys, so here I go. It's the next day. My friend was going to help me comb out my locks. We started off so well, you know, combing it out, doing the darn thing, y'all. And it was great. It was going great, you know, for a little bit. It was going great. Alright, y'all, so I am currently in the bathroom. I know you guys seen the process of me putting conditioner in my locks and trying to comb them out. So far, it's been 2 hours, and y'all got this, which is 2 locks. Look how long they've gotten, though, y'all. Can y'all imagine? This is 2 years of growth. Like, I chopped my hair in 2018, so this is, and we're in 2020, 2 years, and then I chopped it again last year, so probably a year of growth, and that's crazy. And I had some growth back here, but sorry guys, we're gonna have to cut it because it's taking way too long to comb them out. It's gonna take a couple of hours, maybe a couple of days, so we're just gonna cut. Oh, I can't do it. We're gonna cut and hopefully just wish for the best, y'all. But if you guys are ready to start this new growth journey with me, that would be great. So I'm gonna chop. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product after we chop it. You're gonna see a little bit of the chopping. So yeah, oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm really getting rid of my locks, y'all. It's only been a year, but it's been a beautiful year. Go watch my lock journey video so y'all can see my year growth. But this is how short. I haven't gotten the growth, so my hair's not gonna be that short, but that's how much I'm cutting. And let's get into it, because I have to get my hair done right after I comb these locks out. So it did not seem possible for my hairstylist to get all that done in one day. So we're gonna try again. We're just gonna cut it this time. And new hair growth journey.